Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. I know a long time no see, but I am back this week with a plan with me for May 6th through the 12th. I'm going to lay down some stickers and tell you about what I've been doing since. So I had my baby in November of 2018. I had a little boy. I can't remember if I think I said that. I think I said I was having a boy. So I had some pretty severe complications right towards the end of my pregnancy, and I was forced to be hospitalized, and we were all fine. But it was kind of scary, and so I knew that I really did not have the time or the effort to continue playing with me's. Pregnancy took a very big toll on my body, and it just was really hard. But what's funny is after I gave birth, everything pretty much turned back to normal. Oh, I didn't say which kit I was using. So this is a really old mini kit from Planner Kate. It's mini kit 74. I just loved the pink colors, and it went with the peach that's in the planner already. So, so I had my son in early November, and he was 3 weeks early. Yes, my due date wasn't until like the end of November, like November 28th or something. 26th, I think. And he came the 6th. So 20 days early, yeah, almost 3 weeks. And I mean, he was fine, just a little smaller. But yeah, he's doing great now. He'll be 6 months when this Plan With Me goes live on Monday, and I can't believe it. He is growing up so fast. It's just crazy. So yeah, it's, motherhood has been definitely a roller coaster. There's like no words to describe how awesome and how hard it is. I was telling a friend of mine at work, it is the best and the hardest thing I've ever done in my entire life. Like there's this human who is like relying on you and needs you to be cognizant, and he's depending on you for everything. So yeah, I mean, it's the best thing, but also the hardest. But now he is still not sleeping through the night. So if you have any tips or tricks on that, that would be great. He gets up to feed every 3 hours, 3.5. Sometimes I would say 3.5 to 4 hours. Sometimes he does go 4 hours. But so like he's already in bed. I'm filming, it's like 6:30 at night, which sorry about the lighting and the shadows. I have all of the lights on in my house and there's still shadows. But he went to sleep at 6:30, and it's almost 7:30 now, and he'll probably get up around 9:30, 10 o'clock to eat again, and then he'll sleep hopefully until 2:30. That's what he did last night. Sleep until 2:30. And then it kind of depends on how he is. Sometimes he'll sleep from 2:30 till 5:30. Sometimes, like this morning, which he never seems to sleep in on a Saturday, he was up at 4:30. He did go right back down, and he was then slept until 6:30. But he just is, his sleep is all over the place. So, I'm going to put down, actually, I'm going to move all of my sticky notes. I just know what goes with which thing. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. My husband has been gone for Army commitments, so that's been fun, having a pretty new baby and having him be gone for a couple. Actually, I shouldn't downplay it. He was gone for a pretty long time, almost all of February, and then half of March and half of April. So I kind of downplay it because honestly it's slightly crazy to myself to realize that he was gone so long. The Army asked me to count how many days he had been gone in the previous 12 months, or how many nights he was away from home in the past 12 months, and I counted over 100. And then after that, I stopped counting because I was like, this is just depressing. So he loves it, and it works for our schedule, but it still doesn't take away the fact that it's very difficult. So, but anyway, so I put down my bottom washi, my full boxes, and my checklists. My planning style has not changed. In fact, I was going to, I don't know if you are a part of the planner community at all, you will have known that the EC design, or the EC marketing team, like Jen from Pretty Neat Living, Lakin from Plain with Lakin, Cindy from Llama Letters, Julie from Julie Plans, like all of Jen from Jen Plans. So all of those people got to sneak peek the new 2019-2020 life planners this last week. And oh boy, I was going to go to the hourly, and I am not going to the hourly anymore. They took away the half-hour slots, and I was so excited to use it. So excited. And then I saw that, and I was like, oh, I don't know what to use. So, yeah. So on Monday, my child has a doctor's appointment, and he'll be 6 months old. And then my godson has a birthday as well. He'll be 2. It's crazy. Like, seriously crazy that he is already 2. Okay, so I'm going to reach into my binder of stickers. And this is definitely a different kind of organization that I had the last time. I will eventually film a updated video to my sticker organization, but that is definitely on the back burner. I'm gonna use this. This whole sheet is from a Dorky Doodle collab with Planner Kate, and I chose to downsize the sheet because it was one of those larger sheets and I just didn't know where to put it. So I just took an extra sticker sheet that I had and just combined everything onto one sheet. So, and I like it because now I actually remember I have it and I reach for it. So I'm gonna put that in the corner of that box. I guess I could zoom in a little. I always feel like I never zoom you out, so then you never see anything. But okay, we're gonna try this. So I'm gonna write 6 months. Doctor appointment 8:05 a.m. and then birthday. He turns 2. Okay. And then I'm going to go up here. My coworkers and I are having a little like office party for our one coworker, and I have to bring a veggie tray. I'm just going to buy that because nobody has time to make stuff like that. Or at least I don't. And I also have to bring a card. Okay. I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so that's it for Monday. And then Tuesday is Teacher Appreciation Day. And I have to remember to, I bought my child's preschool teachers or daycare teachers some Target gift cards, and I want to write a sweet note with the card that I want to give them. So, teacher gifts. And then I'm going to write over here, write teacher note. Okay. So that is it for Tuesday. Wednesday, I have trivia at night, and so I'm going to take this. I'm going to take a half box, I think. I think I'm going to take this, the green watermelon. And I'm going to put that down further because trivia starts at 7. Okay, so that's trivia. Okay, so now we're on to the second half of the week. Ooh, on trivia, I'm going to put a star. Okay, so there's nothing on Thursday. Friday, I'm doing inventory at a work site, so I'm going to write that on this half box. I'm going to put that on the bottom here. The only reason I'm putting that in here is because I will be going directly from my house to the site. Not going to work first. And then I think that's it. I mean, our I don't know if we have any plans for this weekend so far. I don't think we do. I think we're just gonna play it by ear. I'm gonna mark that Friday is payday. Yeah, I didn't use any of these appointment labels. Yeah, no, sorry, this is kind of a boring week to come back on, I guess. All of my stuff happens at the beginning of the week. Oh, I can update this. And then the reason I'm not going to show you these last few weeks is I am going to do a flip through of my planner from like January through the end of April. So, but I need to film my June monthly and June notes. Need to transfer stickers. And when I say transfer stickers, I mean taking the leftovers, like the leftovers from my sticker sheets, and transferring them into my sticker binder system. I don't do that every week. I write it down every week, but I don't do it every week. And that's it. I feel like I'm missing some stuff. That's another thing since I've had my baby. My brain is not the best at remembering things, and that's why I really need a planner. But I feel like I am missing stuff. So I don't know. We'll see. I will try to post my completed spread on Instagram. So that's at CassieS_plans. If I can figure out how to write that on the screen, I will do that. If not, the link will be in the description box, definitely. So this is what I got. I mean, I love this kit. It's definitely a very summery kit. We've had a lot of snow where I live not recently, but definitely this winter, and we've been having a lot of cold weather. So it's kind of nice to just think about summer and pray to God that it comes very quickly. So if you liked this Plan With Me, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more Plan With Me's, I'm hoping to get some more out this month. My husband's not leaving for a while, so it should work to find time to film again. And yeah, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good day, guys. Bye.